Hello, morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at or I'm at, I guess, okay? Hey, my printer won't work. I'm trying to figure out why. I am too cheap to buy another one, of course. But I was just looking. I started turning it apart. Of course, this light didn't work. What the heck? But if you look right there, it's like, what is that? Holy shit, what the hell is that? Uh-oh. Well, that's probably why my printer's not working. Oh, oh, there's more of it. Is that it? The hell is that? Oh, you know what that is? That's a. It looks like a bread tie, but it's not a bread tie. It's a wrapper to like a new cord or some type of something. Hey, I bet you that makes my printer work. Let's find out.